Mercedes-Benz energy storage units are built for the road, but they are also used as key components in stationary mass energy storage facilities, thereby contributing to environmental protection. That's because Mercedes-Benz batteries store energy when it's not needed and release it when it is. There are many advantages to reusing second-life batteries in mass energy storage facilities. They stabilize the electricity network, offset periods of peak demand, and provide an emergency power supply. Mercedes-Benz energy storage units are durable and powerful. 3 stationary mass energy storage facilities are already being deployed. Europe's largest spare parts storage facility is in Hanover. More than 3,000 modules there provide a total capacity of 17.5 megawatt-hours. This is enough to meet the daily power consumption of around 3,200 households. With an output of 14 megawatts, fluctuations in the power grid can be balanced in a matter of seconds. Lünen is home of the world's largest second-life energy storage facility. It comprises 1,000 modules with a capacity of 13 megawatt-hours and can store enough electricity to meet the daily requirements of around 2,300 households. Elverlingsen is the location of the 3rd energy storage facility, incorporating 1,920 modules in total. With a storage capacity of 9.8 megawatt-hours, it can supply around 1,800 homes with electricity each day. In collaboration with partners, Mercedes-Benz Energy is developing mass energy storage systems for a huge range of applications, such as black start, backup and uninterruptible power supply, peak load management, and off-grid applications. Mercedes-Benz energy storage units. Maximum flexibility for the power supply of the future.